Everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. In this video, I'm going to be talking about few pairs: Euro USD, GBP USD, gold, and maybe USD JPY. So, real quick, I'll be as quick as I can as possible. So, this is 4 hours. This is Euro USD on 4 hours time frame. We can clearly see that price has taken out previous previous highs. Price has taken it out with a very strong bullish, volatile candle. Let me quickly mark this. This was the high I'm talking about, and price break the high with a very strong bullish candle. Okay, so and anytime we have this kind of volatile candle, I told you in my previous video, this is an inefficiency. There's a candle that generated that inefficiency, which is called an order block. Okay, so now let's quickly talk about it right from here. We've been okay, 1 second. We've been having uh lows, high, lower high. Consider this higher high. Is it coming down to give us another lower high? Of course, that's my expectation. When you place this as your support level, and currently we can see that this price is currently at an area of value. This is a resistance broken to the upside, and price is currently approaching that area, to turn it to support. But sometimes price will not respect that area. And why? If there is an order block below that particular area, the importance of the point of a valid order block, it must lead to a break of structure. It must have an inefficiency, not efficiency, inefficiency. So having and is either leads to a change of character, or or leads to a break of structure. We have a structure right here, back here. Price break the structure to the upside with with an inefficiency, leaving this other block behind. Yeah, there's an inefficiency here, so we can clearly see those points. So now in this scenario, I'm gonna be, and one other thing is this: we have a resistance level here, which price break to the upside, and price make a mini retest back to the level. This place, price make a mini retest back to the level here. So what am I saying in essence is, uh my expectation is for price to come down here before pushing back to the upside. And if we are to take a look at something, let's check a Fibonacci retracement from this swing low to this swing high, clearly giving us this we have 61%, 50 to 61%. So I'll be looking, let me quickly mark that area. Yeah, I'll be looking looking for price to make a reverse around this area. So let's quickly make it more clear before we jump to a lower time frame. You can see that this is an area of value. So this is my order block. Let me take this brother out. So this is my order block. Sometimes in some situation, when you have two order blocks very close to each other, you know sometimes price might not respect the first one. Price might come back to this second one. So which is, we have another order block right here, and also we have another one right here. So we have three other blocks right here. So these three other blocks That is exactly where I'm going to be looking or expecting price to respect before making any further movement. Okay, so let's quickly zoom to uh, 1 hour time frame. This is 1 hour time frame. What do we have on our 1 hour time frame? We have price. So we have price. This structure was broken with an inefficiency. We have this break of structure right here. Price has changed this character. We have change of character right here. We have change of character right. I would have called this change of character, but price break below this level and close above the range. So this, okay, this we had change of character right here. That is, price failed to give us another higher high. We started having a high, low, higher low, lower low, higher low, lower low. So in case this price push back to the upside, where is it going to respect before the downward trend, before the downward movement? So let's quickly check our 15-minute time frame. Do we have anything great there? So this is our 15-minute time frame. We're going to acknowledge this particular environment where we'll be expecting price, in case price will be pushing to the upside. This is where I'll be expecting price to push to before another massive fall. And right here we have this price break this structure. Yeah, we have this break of structure. So once price break above this high, possibility of, that is this and this, hold on 1 second. So if we have this high broken and we have another high right here, so if this high was broken, there's a possibility price might come back here to respect a particular area around here before pushing to the upside. That is something like this. We have a downward trend, price push up, we have a break of that structure, price push up, another break of that structure. So if we have this, okay, we have this, if we have this break of structure, I mean the price break above this high, so there's possibility price might come back here again. So if price come back here again, then we will definitely have a push to the upside that will lead to this break of, that will break this structure also to the upside, then probably make a retest back to the level, push to the upside. So this is what I'll be looking for. This is my 15-minute time frame. That is, I'm going to be looking for something like this, price breaking this area, either come back to this level before the continuation. So this is what I'll be looking for. Then if we go to, let's go to 1 hour time frame and see, let me take all these guys out. Take all this guy out. So now this is a 1 hour time frame. At that moment, we might have price respecting this level, then respecting this other block too. Then we can have a probably a massive downward movement to either this area or this area or this area before the continuation. So pay attention to that. Let's quickly go to Gbpusd. So it's just something similar. So Gbpusd might, let's quickly check 4 hours time frame. Let's check 4 hours time frame. This is a 4 hours time frame. So GBP is currently an area of value. We have resistance here, price break above the resistance to give us this current high, leaving this other block behind. Okay, so currently price is currently at that same order block area. Then mind you, we have this support level. Price has never broke. The support level has not been broken. So if this support level eventually got broken, then we had consolidation, then probably price will be coming back to the downward side. But I didn't see such happening because we have low, high, lower high, higher high, lower high. Price is going to give us another high that is higher than this level. So at the moment, I'll be looking for price to actually come back into this other block, and okay, this is what I'll be looking for. And that price giving us this break above here, make a retest, then push higher. Is either to respect this area or to come back to this major supply zone. Okay, so this is what I'll be looking for on GBP USD. Let's quickly check 1 hour time frame. Is 1 hour time frame. Okay, on 1 hour time frame we have resistance, support. If price eventually break this resistance to the upside, it has to break above this high to change the character like that, something like this, then push back again to respect that area. Then I'll make my entry to the upside, either to this area or to this area or above, depends on the movement of the market. So here will be my first target, or this high will be my first target if I have something like this. Or if eventually price came back again to this area, then I'll have to see something like this, change of character with a very strong bullish candle, then price probably push back to that area, then I'll buy to the upside. So this is what I'll be looking for regarding this GBP USD. And the last one, uh, so this is the last one. uh, Almost everything just like almost the same. So GBP, this is gold. We've been having series of exactly this was what I was talking about on uh, GBP USD. Just take a look at what happened right here. We have this, we have this price break above the high, push it, but it changed the character, then came back to that particular area. I'll buy to the upside. Can you see? That's exactly what happened, and that's exactly what I'll be looking for. Anytime price gets to an area of value, and you should be expecting a change of character, you should be expecting a break of structures and price creating series of highs, higher highs, and so on and so forth. We have this resistance. This resistance was taken, and this resistance was taken, and price push a bit to retest the resistance before pushing to the upside. We have a pushback here, price push to the upside. Now we have, this is the current high, price break the current high, change of character right here. We have this low, higher high, then we have lower high, then low, lower low, and lower high. So price has currently changed the character. We have this change of character with this very strong bearish candle. Then we have a break of structure right here. We have this break of structure. So in this case, this anytime we have a break of structure, there's probably a price, a candle that generated that break of structure, which is this, which is the other block. So in case price push back to this other block, something like this, if I have a pushback to this other block, then I'll look for a sell to come back to this area. Then if price give me a sort of probably maybe double bottom, then I'll go long again. So this is what I'll be looking for on the gold. So if you like the content, kindly subscribe to my channel and leave your comment. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day.